Hi guys, this is our second video. Today we are going to solve the active numbers problem. It says you are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integer numbers. The digits are stored in reverse order and each of their nodes contain a single digit, and the two numbers add the two numbers and returns the sum as a linked list. You may assume the two numbers do not contain any linked zeros except the number 0 itself. So, if you see the example, literally you are asked to do a simple sum. For example, as you know, 5 plus 2 is 7, 6 plus 4 is 10, you carry 1, and 4 plus 3 is 7, plus the 1 you are carrying from here, you get 8. So literally you need to do a simple sum. So let's do it. So let's put the example. Give me a second here. So and you have the two leaf of numbers 4, 2, 4, 3, and leaf 2, 5, 6, and 4, and the returning list or leaf 3, the sum of those numbers 7, 8, 0. Okay, so in real life, how do you make a sum? You're going to do something like this: 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 4. Okay. In real life problem, we tend to do something like this: 5, 4 plus 3 is 8, 4 plus 6 is 10, but we don't write the 10 itself, but we carry the number 1 here, and here we just write a 0, and now 1 plus 2, 3, plus 5, 7. That's what we do in real life. In this case, we are going to do pretty much the same here. Well, actually, in this case, we are going to do this in the reverse order. We are going to do it from left to right. So we are going to do this: 5 plus 2, 7, and 4 plus 6, 10, and we carry on 1 here, and here we write 0. 1 plus 3, 4, plus 4, 8. In code, we are going to do this way. So let's put this in a code perspective. We're going to do this. Give me a second. We are going to create 2 pointers. The first one. So in code we are going to do this. We are going to create 2 pointers. Well, actually 3 of them. So in the first case, we are going to do this. We are going to create 2 pointers for our list and a third one for our third list. we are going to do this. We are going to traverse or to live at the same time until we have some values. And we are going to put the result in our third list node. And we are going to do this. We are going to have first we are going to have the value of what we are carrying, but by default it will be 0. And we are going to do this. Do we have is our pointer a value? It's, or in short, it's our pointer not empty. If it is, we are going, well, actually first we need to create another variable or sum. If it's our pointer, it's not empty, it's our left pointer, it's not empty, we are going to add to our sum the list one pointer, or list one value. And now, if it's our second pointer not empty, well, actually we are going to sum our left one pointer and let's move our pointer to our right. And move pointer right. And this also to pointer empty, we're going to do the same. Sum plus one L1 pointer and move pointer to its right. And we are going to move our pointer to our right. So right now our sum will be, our sum equals now 7. But we need to know if we must put something in our carry. How we do that? Well, actually very simple. We just take our current sum, divide it by 10, and we are going to round it down. So right now, if you try to do this with our 7, we are going to get like 0 to 7. It rounded to 0, so you don't carry nothing. And our current sum, remember that if our sum is equal to 10 or greater, we must return the second number only. We do this only taking our module. Remember that if you have two numbers, for example, if you have the number 10 and you want to divide it by 10, you are going to get here 1 and a remainder 0 because you get nothing left. And if you have 12, you're going to get only 2. Okay, so we have already know what we are carrying and which is our sum. Now we need to create the node for our third leaf right here. So we just do this. L3 the value will be our sum. Okay, and we need to move L3 or L3 pointer, move L3 pointer. Okay, so you are going to complete this loop a few times. Okay, and finally, when you have reached this part, you are going to have and finally, when you have reach this part, you're going to check something. If our carry equals 0, we need to create another pointer. We need to create another node right here. For example, suppose this is I don't know, 7. Now this 7. Now this sum will give you 11. So you need to create another pointer right here that holds that remainder of 1. So if our carry equals 1, we are going to create L3 value or whatever we are carrying, and we are going to finally we are going to return the first L3 node. So let's do it in code. So first you are going to create our let's going to create all L3 list. Let's say, I don't know, my list equals list node, and as initial value we are going to put 0. Why? Just because right my list right pointer equal my list. So this will be, so this variable technically will be this right pointer right here. You will see it in a few seconds. And finally our carry that equals 0. Now we are going to traverse each list of each leaf. So how we are going to traverse this leaf? Now we are going to traverse each of the leaves at the same time. In this case, what I'm going to do is to delete items from our node list, from our nodes list. So technically, when we have checked this node, we are going to erase it completely. And the same will happen here with our right node. So remember we need to create some variable that is 0 plus whatever we are carrying. So if our left list is not empty, we are going to also add the current value of our left one list, and we are going to remove the first item of left one list, doing something like this. We equals list 1 2 or list 1.next, and we do pretty much the same for our second list. Okay, we have done this one right here. Now we need to do how much we are carrying and the current sum. So actually it's done. So remember that our carrying is just dividing our sum between 10, and our current sum is the module of our sum and 10. And now we need to add to our third list or current sum. So we are going to do this, or my left right pointer second dot next value will be our current sum value, and also we are going to move our pointer. My left pointer will be its own value dot next. And then finally remember our carry. If our carry equals 1, so if carry, actually if we have carry number, or left trace carry will be whatever we are carrying. In this scenario we are just going to do this, and that should be all. Finally we are going to return our list tree first node. That, remember, in this case it's just my list dot next value, because the first value of our list is 0 and the next value of it will be our first L3 number. So let's test this code and let's say if this works. Okay, so no, it is not working. Okay, so it was how I just didn't put the new word here. Well, and that's all. Well, and that shall be all for today. So bye, see you tomorrow.